How to give access to Google Form. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can give access to Google Form. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up Form or Google Form. After that, if you're logged into your account, now you have to select the form where you want to give access to. Click on it. After you have opened up your form, head towards this share icon at the top right and click on it. You will see this kind of interface. Here you can directly add people or groups that you want to give access to. Under this general access section, click on editor view, and here you have to click on anyone with the link. And under this, you can see copy responder link. You can directly share the link or add people from here and then click on done. So in this way, you can allow access to your Google Form. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.